Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday. Aalis tayo, punta tayo sa Walmart. Yeah, punta tayo sa Walmart and nag-isip ako kung saan ako pupunta, kung alang Walmart kasi yun, papunta na si Tami dito. Nagtingin-tingin lang ako sa salamin. Wala, ay, yung gray hair ko is ang dami. Ito yung jeans na nabili ko sa Walmart din. 7, ano ang size nito. You know what? Yesterday, last night, nakalimutan kong i-plug itong ano ko, laptop ko. Perte, grabing pagkalubat ngayon talaga. So, I'm going to write down what I need to. Punta ako doon and then mag-isip ako kung anong bibilhin ko. Dapat isulat ko na talaga kasi kung ano yung mga binibili ko. Yun. And Tommy, he called me. He says, he's done with the shower. Yun yung tinawag niya sa akin. Tapos na daw siya nag-shower. And then, I decided to not to go to Walmart. Pero punta na lang ako sa ibang store. Para doon ako kukuha ng pagkain, egg, pagkain ko. I think the dog is still okay. And the cat, I will probably do that Friday. Friday, yeah. And punta lang tayo sa regular store na malapit-lapit dito para hindi na tayo mag-travel doon malayo sa Walmart. I am home. No. Pagkahimos, ituklod mo dito mo po. Himos, bayagin kayo mo, himos. Anyway guys, ito yung nabili ko. Pang adlaw-adlaw na pagkaon itlog. Pang adlaw itlog. Salad ni Tami. Para gabi karong gabi And bukas, ano to? Bila, mushrooms, mashed potato with bacon and chives. Yun. And ano po yung nabili natin? Ito be meat ito guys. Ano siya? Isda at saka lamb para bukas. Yung isda is ngayong gabi lutuin natin yan. At bumili din ako ng spam. I got squid. Ito is squid guys. Yung squid na yan is lutuin ko yan toasted adobo. Ang shrimp is later. Para mamaya, i-defrost lang natin ito para mag-grill tayo mamaya sa labas. Diyan lang yan para ma-defrost. Kailangan kong magluto ng maaga. Para later on, hindi na ako magkarakara. Kasi kukunin pa namin si Bianan. And anyway. Yung swordfish pala guys, is ang gagawin ko sa kanya is paksiw. Gusto yan ni Tami yung mga ganon, yung mga paksiw style, yung mga suka, you know, lemon, lemon din, ginger, yung mga ganon. Nagustuhan talaga ni Tami yung ganyang luto ng ginger. Ang bango ng ginger eh. Naalala ko tuloy noon, yung grandma ko, yung mama ng papa ko, yung ginger, kapag may ano siya, may sakit sa ulo, mga kahit anik-anik, yung mga pinagraramdaman niya, meron siyang isang buong ginger dito sa gilid, parang monkey ba? Ilagay lang niya sa gilid ng gum niya dito. At saka hindi niya kainin, parang sipsipin lang yung mga juice na lumalabas, ganun. Yan, parang sinipsip lang niya. Hanggat ayaw na niya. Hindi naman yun maano kasi ginger ito eh. So, yun yung grandma ko. Yun yung ano niya, ginagawa niya. Luuran din yun guys, katulad ng ama ko. Luuran. Kusog kay mang luod kung Bisaya pa. Ano sa Tagalog yung luuran guys? Ano yung swordfish sa atin? Para man itong lutuin na talaga natin kasi parang ang mura ng ano nila, parang hindi na talaga siya presko na presko. So, kailangan talagang lutuin agad. And, hiniwa ko siya ng 3. So, ilagay natin si garlic. Lahat. Si garlic, si ginger, onion. Paksiw na paksiw. Masarap ito pag may talong. Ang palaya, yun no? Okra. Okra. Lagyan natin ng lime. Ito yung pinaka-excited ako sa lime. Ayan, kailangan talaga dalawa. I don't know kung lahat tayo maglagay ng oil sa paksiw. Kami na family, maglagay talaga kami ng oil sa paksiw namin. Lagyan natin ng soy at saka kaunting tubig. Ay, wala. Pangit siya kung may light. Ay, hindi talaga kita. Yun siya, guys. And then, lagyan natin ng maraming paminta. Sarap nito, fresh paminta. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng cover kasi ang daming tubig. Gustong-gusto kasi nila yan ni Tami, guys, yung masabaw. Hindi naman higupin. Parang i-ano lang, especially if rice yung katapat sa mga ulam ko. Yun, gusto nila talaga ang merong something na ilagay sa ibabaw. Kundi wala, maghanap yan si Tami dito sa refrigerator ng mga salad dressing, mga mustard. Yun yung gagawin niya. Pero, for sure, madami tayong mas extra sabaw dito. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng takip para hindi na mag-moist na at saka marami pang tubig na ma-add. Mawala yung lasa niya. Nag-request si Tami ng hotdog for lunch. Sabi pa niya, anong lunch natin dyan? Sabi ko, what do you want? Sabi niya, sabi ko, you have hot dogs. Do you want me to make you hot dogs? Dalawa sa kanya, isa sa akin. Ang bilis ni Tami, dalawang hotdog talaga. Ako, isa lang. Hindi magkayang dalawang hotdog. Dirty mind, dirty mind. Guys, alam niya nandun si Daddy. Tignan niya, nagwala na. Tingnan niyo. Hindi ko papasok. Dada's here. Dada's here. Allah. He's here. Iyak pa more. Iyak pa more. Come in. Sobrang iba talaga yung iyak nila. Basta si Dada nala talaga ba? Roxy's cry because she's outside. She go crazy.
I know, Mommy, don't lay on the couch. I know.
Oops, she's telling you that she's not allowed in the couch anymore.
I know. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I know. Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's eat.
I got PBs.
Look at this. Oh my God.
Crazy girl.
Oh my God. Oh my God. She really miss you, hon. She is so unhappy with me. She's so unhappy with me. Hala, tignan niyo si Roxy. Tignan niyo ito nga. Slide na. Hala. Dada's here. Who is Dada? You could get him. Leave Dada alone, oy. Leave Dada alone. I know. The Dada's in the bathroom. Where is he? He went to the bathroom, oy. Look. I love Daniel. Look, hello. He tried to talk to you. Hello, Dada. He loves him so much. She loves him so much. Hello. I don't know why. It's just like Tami have some effect on Roxy. Everyone actually. especially this one on Hubs.
I'm coming. I didn't forget you out here.
She isn't happy that she cannot no couch for him for her anymore. Oh, she talked too much. She talked too much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Honey,
I've been petting both since I got here. Oh, I just gotta keep watching out for this one.
nag-ano si Tommy na? Ano niya? Tinanggal niya yung gulong. And then, ang laki ng gulong. Hopefully, he know how to put everything back together because, you know, you're playing with the car. I don't know if anybody... My brother knows how to do this thing too. I guess if you keep working trucks, driving trucks all the time, I guess you'll learn, right, huh? I will come back and check on you, okay? But anyway, kukunin ko lang si Bianan and I will see you when I'm back. Hindi pa rin si Tami tapos sa break niya, sa sakyan niya. Andun pa rin yun.
Just pick up those pins and come back. What do you mean? They sent me pins, but the pins are a little bit short. They're like a quarter inch too short, or 3/8 of an inch too short, so they won't reach. I can't lock them in. So now I gotta go and get new ones.
All good, you?
Yeah, you could drive because I'm a mess. But I got my wallet.
Well, what's something, isn't it?
Yeah, you know what? That's the problem with ordering stuff online.
Alis na naman ako. Ako daw yung driver. Ibig sabihin, let kaming makalabas.
Okay, we shouldn't be too long. I mean, it's really only a couple minutes, but you still gotta drive there, and driving anywhere from here is a pain in my neck.
Ako na naman daw yung driver niya. Basa si Tami guys. Pasensyahan niyo ha kasi si Tami ang ano niya, ang dumi, ang dugyot. Kasi nagtatrabaho yan sa sasakyan niya. So, pasensyahan niyo na. I got you water.
Thanks. I got my big bottle in the car. I should just take it.
It's fine. We're not staying out.
Nope.
Okay, you're good?
Is that water cold?
Yeah, from this.
Oh, that's the one I left in the refrigerator.
No, it's
Oh
not.
no, I drank that one already.
Mine.
I didn't think it was anything was gonna get done the way it was going. I was like stuck. Wait for it.
Do you have your wallet?
Yeah. I shouldn't need a wallet. It should only be like a few bucks.
How much few?
I don't know, $4 or $5. I need 4 pins.
Did you bring the thing?
I brought 1 pin. I need 4 of them.
The size that you nerd?
I brought the old one because that's the right size. No point bringing a new one.
How did you took it out? What did you do?
I just
You bang it?
I kept spraying it and banging it. Then I used the old pin, the pin that did come out.
Yeah.
I used that one as a punch to bang it out with that. This way we have like a perfect fit. So this way when it gets inside the hole, I can still keep banging it into the hole. Then I had both pins stuck and I couldn't get either one out. But you know, you got no more coffee. I just used the last box.
There's one up there. I just looked.
I just took it down because you had none in the bottom.
Yeah, I know nothing in the bottom.
I said so. Now you don't have any more.
Okay, then that's still good enough for a few months.
A few months.
Yes, hon. That's 3 months.
A couple weeks maybe. Huh? No, wait, 3 months.
Couple weeks. I've been using it. I'm the only one drinking it all the time. You're there for how many
Alright, so if you drink
times a week?
if you drink 1 a day, it's good for 2.5 months. And they're not there, so it's good for 2 months. Maybe. And it takes.
You can use my car if you're gonna stay that car over there.
Well, if this guy wasn't so busy, the guy we used to go to up here, I would have checked with him. But lately, I can't even get an inspection from him. I don't blew it out until there's no air left.
How do you know there's no air?
Because you'll know. There won't be air bubbles. It'll be fluid.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Well, you've been doing this. You don't have any accident, God forbid, right?
I've been doing this since I was a teenager.
Yeah, like, but how many times since? It's just 3 times since?
3 times what?
doing the brake?
Shit, huh?
Yes, son.
I've done it at least 25 times.
Yeah, right.
Huh, all
125,
different
how
cars.
many years?
All different cars, huh? Your brakes are supposed to be done every 20,000 miles. There's no parking anyway, so I just gave it to him and said, hey, do the brakes while I'm working. So then I walked over to where I gotta work.
And?
The guy in the Bronx, he did the brakes. Remember, he did the brakes on the other car at that time, and they was squealing like crazy all the time. And I brought it back, made him do it again, and it's still squealing like crazy. Oh, that's just the way Toyota's on. No fucking way. Man, there's no other Toyota on the road that's making all this fucking noise.
Look at guys.
Yo, look at my hair.
Carry this wherever he go.
Because my hair's a wreck, and the wind is blowing it around.
Airbrush.
Well, I can just smoke with the window up, and I won't need to brush my hair.
You know what?
You know what?
Whatever. I'm your driver. Follow me. Follow what I say. Nice to have a driver. You know how expensive to hire a driver now?
Cheap in the Philippines.
Cheap, yeah. When Tammy and I went to the Philippines, Tammy's first time, so we meet this guy, a taxi, and then we offer him 1,500 every day with the gas, and of course, the first day we use him.
No, but I asked him because it was hot, so friggin' hot. I asked him if he had his air conditioning in the car. He said yes, and he took us to the hotel. I was dying in the car. He had no air conditioning.
No air conditioning, and
But
we still offer him to pay him a lot of money. For one day we use him. He is not nice. My family doesn't like him, and he take advantage. And you know, we buy him meat for his family for the first day. We don't even know him. When we went to the grocery, we buy him grocery too. And you know, and then I called him, we text him for the next day for the thing, and he asked for more money, and that's we decide we hire the one in the hotel. The hotel have a car. And then
the woman who ran the hotel offered it. That was her brother-in-law or something.
And our driver is a relative of the hotel owner, and he is so nice, Alan.
Really nice guy.
Alan. And even my family, my brother still remember him. He won't forget you, Han. You're so generous. Like, Tommy complain a lot of the heat.
I don't like heat. It makes me dizzy, makes me nauseous. So heat doesn't work really well for me. 914-633. Look at that. 653.